Okay, safely alongside. Welcome to Amsterdam.
Okay, this is it. Goodbye sa kabina ko. Thank you, thank you. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Say goodbye to my captain. Thank you very much. I hope to see you next time. Thank you, thank you.
Thank you for everything.
Okay, thank you. Goodbye, Ocean Pearl! Ito na yung pinakamasayang moment. Again, tayo na si Mrs. Okay, standby na. 15 minutes for the tugboat. Last maneuvering. Siyempre, videoan natin ang last maneuvering natin. Ito lagi yung ginagawa eh. Up, press ko. Dabig. Okay. Standby forward. Ayos ba yung helmet? Patagilid. Yes! Good morning! What the f***? Time check, 6:30.
Arlon, Daniel, we will make fast the tugboat on center lead.
Center lead forward.
Center lead up.
Ganda ng sikat ng araw. Pero ngayon, lamig. Siguro nasa ano to 16 to 18 degrees. This is forward team, international team. Me, second mate from Philippines, Boson from Ukraine, AV from Sri Lanka, Cadet from Trinidad. The national team, different country, but same goal. Work safely.
Okay, safely alongside. Welcome to Amsterdam.
Okay, this is it. Uwi na. 1 hour na lang. Bababa na kami ng barko. Pack up na. Yes. Lahat ng pagod, worth it. Okay, this is it. Goodbye sa kabina ko. Goodbye sa aking bahay ng 8 months. Hey, see you soon sa totoong bahay. Captain, service boat is here. I will go down, so say goodbye to my captain. Thank you very much. I hope to see you next time. This will be a memory.
See you.
Okay, see you. Thank you.
The family.
Yep. Right. My wife told me, okay, regards me to your captain. Okay. Goodbye to my cabin. Bye-bye. Okay, Yor, thank you. Ito isa sa pamalakasan ng ano.
Shoot mo na yung rides mo eh!
Siyempre.
Hindi na ka na magmumotor eh!
Ayan. Thank you. Yeah, hey. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Ito talaga. Kaya lahat ng pagod, buyat, lungkot, worth it, di ba? This is the moment, my final test. Kuha na, bagahe.
Wala pala.
Okay na. Ayun na. Yes! Asik! Goodbye!
Wala pala.
Ito yung palitan ko. Sige, chat na. Pag at tanong. Yes!
Ayun na.
Sige.
Bye-bye. Ingat!
Okay! Good it! Thank you.
Thank you for everything.
Okay, thank you. Goodbye! Cookie! Ikaw naman next time. Just here, eh?
Ingat kayo ha.
Thank you! Chat na lang! Kung may tanong.
Again, thank you guys.
Good it. Okay,
Thank
good luck.
you for
Okay.
everything.
See you next time.
Yes sir, ingat kayo sir.
Woo! Goodbye, Ocean Pearl! Yan. After 8 months,
8 months ka ba sir?
iwanan ko na yung bahay ko. Pupunta na ako dun sa rest house ko. Fashionista lang kami sa bahay. Ang totoong bahay namin sa barko.
Maganda pa ito
Sarap.
dito eh.
Oo, dito na tayo. Saglit lang naman. Diyan lang eh. Tapos pupunta muna kaming immigration.
Ay, sa wakas. Grabe yung ano.
Panbahura. Okay.
Taxi is on his way.
Taxi.
Couple of minutes, yeah?
We will wait here only, yeah?
Yeah, there's a forklift over there. That's the gate.
Okay. We will go there. Okay.
Maybe you wait in the shade.
Okay, thank you. Buti may kasabay akong umuwi din. Thank you.
Thank you sir. Please.
Balik na tayo sa lupa. Meron pa tayong income hanggang bukas. Huy, big bike, sakto. Big bike, oh. Yun, oh, grabe angas, oh. Yan, dyan daw tayo sa shade. Yan. Grabe, R6 yata ito, eh. R9. Okay, waiting na taxi. Sakto may big bike dito. Sightseeing. Yan. Pares kami nito ni Port, mahilig sa motor. Ayun, okay. Tumba. Naka aftermarket exhaust. KYB suspension.
A few moments later.
Alright, dito na yung service.
So everywhere in the world for you. Wallahi, everywhere. You know this,
You search for this.
look my car. Do you see that? Like tractor.
Okay.
Sorry guys.
Okay. Nice. Woo. Mercedes Benz. Nice. Ganda, oh, Mercedes, oh. Mercedes Benz, oh. Service lang namin, oh. So going to immigration muna kami. Time check 13:45. Ang flight namin 17:10 pa, eh. Kaya Okay lang. May time pa.
May time pa.
Bali yung immigration dun sa loob ng puerto, sarado pala pag weekends. Pupunta kami sa immigration sa ibang branch. Lumipat kami ng sasakyan. Ibang service naman to.
1 hour later.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you, bro.
Ah, sila kumuha nga eh, no? Yep. Alright. Airport.
Many minutes later.
Hindi pa namin nakakatch yung flight namin. Kasi ang flight namin 17:10. Dumating kami 14:20. Pagdating namin dito sa airport, hindi na daw pwedeng i-print yung boarding pass. So ngayon, waiting kami sa help desk kung anong advice nila.
1 eternity later.
Guests, thank you for your patience.
Sa wakas, ito, natuloy na kami. Na-rebook yung flight namin. Bale, Amsterdam. Amsterdam, Abu Dhabi, Manila. Bale, 4 hours lang naman na usog. Imbis na alas 6 kami dadating sa Pinas, magiging alas 10. Okay na rin, at least hindi na rush hour. Okay, dito na kami. Ganda ng pwesto dito kasi ano. Yan na, maluwag yung leg space. Okay, dito na kami sa Abu Dhabi. One more flight. See you soon, Philippines. Ito na, boarding na, going to Manila. Welcome back. Touchdown Manila.
Touchdown. Yes, ito na. Back to reality. Unemployed. Walang trabaho.
Palamunin na naman.
Okay, kuha ko na yung bagay ko. Ito na yung pinakamasayang moment. Okay, hintay na si Mrs. Yes. Kasi yung happiest moment ng isang seaman. Yeah! May lipstick ko.